day 3 on our hike, and we just hiked up some more hills. The steepest part, they call it the Inca steep times 2. We started the day, me and Sky put on the Borders packs, 25 kilos, which is 50 pounds, and did a 40-minute trek up the steepest part of the trek. And now we go downhill from here. Pretty foggy and cold and misty up here. Beautiful views, but we don't get to see them today. This is another Inca site with 100 steep steps up to it, and it's a straight cliff down to the Amazon jungle. We're in the Amazon jungle now, which is pretty neat. Made it to our lunch spot. It's about 2 o'clock. 5-hour hike this morning through the Amazon jungle. Not in the Andes anymore, we're in the Amazon jungle. I'll give you a 360 shot. You can finally see Machu Picchu Mountain, a little town right there. That's Machu Picchu Mountain. One night's camp, and then we're hiking in.